Hi everyone, Alessandro here, and this is week 4 of my weight loss journey. I was really hoping to reach my goal of minus 15 pounds, but I missed the target for a single pound. So in 1 week I managed to lose only 1 pound. So I went in kilos from 157.1 to 156.6, going pound 347 to 346. What kept me from reaching my goal, I believe, is because I went eating out a couple of times this week. And even if you try to be careful to eat healthy, eating out is never like eating home. So there are always plates and food a little bit more greasier, maybe some ingredients, a pinch of salt that you don't use at home. All these little things put together kept me, I believe, to reach my target, but I'm really focused to reach by the next week, so I can make a long video explaining how I lost my first 15 pounds, basically. Thanks for watching, thanks for following me, thanks for all the messages, and to the new subscribers, you are amazing. Thank you very much for your support, it means a lot. I'm happy that I'm not alone in this journey, so I found a couple of weight loss journey mates here on YouTube. It's great seeing what we both can achieve together. See you next week for the next update. Peace.